Welcome to the Lego Chain, and today we're going to look at Bitcoin, short term and long term. Where is it going to go next? Is it going to continue lower? If this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned because we're going to look at short term targets for Bitcoin. What I'm seeing on Bitcoin is it potentially forming a head and shoulders pattern with a lower shoulder on the right hand side. Now we can see that we've wicked all the way to the lows of the 30k range, just under, but we bounced straight back up, which was around about a 30% bounce. Now we have a look, we're forming the head as we've come back up to my first target, which was roughly 415, and since we've broken 415, we possibly might go up to 43,730 range. Now from there, I look us pulling back and forming this sort of shoulder on the right hand side, and then seeing a bounce out, confirming the breakout, and then breaking to the top of the neckline, where we will see another retest and then a false breakout, and then potentially a breakout to 48,000, potentially even 50,000. That's what I see happening, all before the end of May. Stay tuned, because as it develops, we'll keep you updated. So the next chart we're going to look at is TruFi. Now this project you can find on Binance, as I've got it charted on a 4-hour chart. And looking at this chart, it's a brand new project. It launched, I believe, in late November of 2020, and we can see our previous all-time highs were around 63 cents, and from there we've had our retracement to roughly 25 cents, and then we've had a nice bounce up to roughly the 51 cents mark, and then again a move down. Now our second move down gives us confirmation of the support line. So you can see from that support line we then rallied, breaking the 45 cents trend line, resistance line, but it turned out to be a fake out, where we saw another retracement back into this triangle. Now where do we sit today? Today we sit roughly on 30 cents, and you can see we've broken the support line, but then had a really strong bounce back up to the top of the resistance line, where again we've fallen back into that pattern. So at the moment we're still trading sideways, but we've got fantastic news on TruFi that launched today. That's right, we've got fantastic news. So based on that news, let's have a quick look at the news first before we get into the targets, because this is going to make a difference to how quick we get to our targets. So TruFi, it's uncollateralized DeFi by Trust Token. We've had major announcements across TruFi. We've had launches of new credit, we've had improved credit models, we've got new stables in the lending pool, we've got tradable load tokens. Binance, as of today, have released locked staking. Now you can see the list here. You've got 90 days with 29% APY, 60 days with 25% APY, and 30 days with 22% APY. Now this is fantastic. If you're a true believer of TruFi, then you're going to see massive returns from not just your staking, but from the project growing. This project only sits on roughly $50 million market cap. Can you imagine if this reaches the hundreds of millions in market cap, if not the billions in market cap? So back to the charts, we can see if we do break this triangle to the upside, which I strongly believe we will, at least the probability is there. My target for TruFi in the short term is anywhere between 75 to 80 cents. Now I am a strong believer of TruFi. I do hold some TruFi myself, just as a disclaimer. If you did enjoy the content, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from Lego Chain.